Zebrafish possess a remarkable ability to continuously generate new neurons in their brains, offering protection against neurological diseases and injuries. This contrasts with adult humans, who can only produce a limited number of new neurons, mainly in the hippocampus. Columbia University researchers have uncovered a mechanism in zebrafish brains called nerve growth factor receptor, NGFR, that stimulates stem cells to generate new neurons, even in cases of Alzheimer's disease in zebrafish. The researchers investigated whether this mechanism could work in mammals with Alzheimer's and found that activating NGFR in mouse models of the disease promoted long-term neurogenesis, reduced amyloid and tau protein accumulation, and improved brain health. The study suggests potential therapeutic approaches to activate neurogenesis in humans with Alzheimer's disease, although it may require gene therapy or targeting related proteins such as lipocalin-2 and phosphofructokinase. Further research and testing are needed to determine if these approaches can lead to cognitive improvements in Alzheimer's patients. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.